These are the 5 mistakes I made that cost me chunks of my fussy hair, and I'm not about to let you fall into the same hole because I'm a girl's girl. Let's get into the video. Hi there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dami, and on this channel we do and talk about everything fussy hair. Mistake number 1: not using a pre-poo. Ever since I started using a pre-poo on my fussy hair, the amount of hair that I usually lose has actually reduced. Normally, you'd know that if you have been watching my previous video that I don't use pre-poo. I just go in with shampooing, conditioning, and the rest. I use the okra gel as a pre-poo. You can use the flaxseed gel. I have not tried that because I have not found flaxseed around me, so I just use the okra gel. And if you want to see a video on how to make that, let me know down in the comment section. Mistake number 2 is over manipulation. I'm a natural hair creator, so I have to make videos, I have to make styling videos and all of that, so I tend to over manipulate my hair, which has led to me losing a lot of hair past few weeks. Do not over manipulate your hair. This is the major cause of breakage. When you take down your hair every week or you take down your hair every 3 days, I'm very guilty of that. I don't know how to keep in hair for like a month or so, and that is something I want to start implementing, start trying, because I have to get to 12 inches by the end of this, and it's not looking like it's going to be possible. So this remaining half of the year, if it's half, yeah, I'm going to be putting in styling. Guys, not all protective styles are actually protective styles. There are certain styles you do that would actually make you lose your hair instead of you retaining length. You tend to lose more hair. Like when you do more tight hairstyles, you just see all your edges are gone. When I always say that products will not grow your hair, but products can actually break your hair. When you use shampoos that have sulfates, they tend to make your hair very dry, and we all know that dry hair will definitely break. So use deep conditioning is very, very essential. It's as essential as you using a shampoo on your hair. A deep conditioner would actually give your hair more moisture and will help your hair grow, because we all know that moisture plus length retention is equals to growth. And yes, I use the Mega Growth Deep Conditioner and I absolutely love it. My hair loves it. Now you do not have to use the particular one that I use. You can experiment with your hair. I mean, with your hair, you can experiment with a lot of products and find the one that works best for your hair. I've actually not used any other deep conditioner than Mega Growth Deep Conditioner. Trimming is very necessary because you do not want to leave those split ends. Split ends will definitely make your hair break. But then now over trimming, doing it maybe every week or doing it every month, like you can just do it, let's say once a month or so. But I do not believe in trimming religious. Do not compare your hair to others. Your hair will definitely grow. Just continue to nurture your hair, continue to love your hair, continue to learn your hair, continue to follow the right routine. Your hair will definitely grow. Thank you so much for being on this space. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe so that the algorithm can push my videos to other fussy hair girlies out there. And bye.